Hi guys, so today we'll be rating old EAS alarms part 3. No, I'm not doing that. Azerbaijan 19,086. I rated a 1 out of 10. Why does Kyrgyzstan always have music? Okay, now we're gonna do Kyrgyzstan 2000, 19,000. 100 out of 10. Give me creeps. Give me creeps. Okay, so Thailand EAS alarm 2006 with the re-up sound. Oh, shit. You know what will I do if I was in Thailand in 2006? I would scream in the whole country in my top of my lungs. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to EAS on YouTube. He makes a lot of EAS alarms. I love EAS alarms. I rated 500 out of 10. It's so super loud. United States 1915 with the re-up sound. And then we started. I don't know about. Wait, we already rate this. Bro, we already rate this in part 2. Oh my god. Why do I always forget? We already rate this. How dumb I am. Wait. Oh yeah. Did we already China? Yeah, we already China. Okay, so. Something with D. The. No, it's not with D. It's with a B. Bahrain 1991 EAS alarm. Okay, let's search. No, that one. No. Bruh. I rated a 1 out of 10 because it's with that like that meme, like it doing done. That's why. Okay, so we did. So now, wait, did we already chiller? I think we did chill. Alright. So, something with J. Japanese Empire EAS one from 1946. We will rate this with an EAS. No, not that one. We were gonna see this video, not this one. Good. That's 1 hour. Why will it take 1 hour? But where is it? Oh my god, how dumb I am. No, what is... Bro! 8 out of 10! Wow! Oh my gosh. I will never go to Japan in 1945.
Why?
I'm trying to make a video here.
What talking about?
Any videos from subscribers.
Are you sure?
So where
Can
are
I
you?
eat your food?
Huh?
Can I eat your food?
Oh my god.
I'm hungry. Please. I'm hungry.
Bro, why my daddy annoying me?
I need salt. Is it salt? I need coke.
Bruh. Okay, while he's doing that, let's read some more EAS. Suriname from 1981.
This is my home. ¿Qué es eso?
Bro, that's scary! Okay, Suriname 1953. Fun fact, this played after it's it got independence from the Dutch. No, 0 to 10. 0 to 10. So cute. Okay, Pakistan EAS. Hold on.
A Science and Kirk success story.
OMG, I wish I had
and
YouTube
helping kids
Premium.
through her youth lit.
Oh, did you saw that? Bruh. India said he had a nice day, but look what Pakistan said. I need to put this in 25 speed. No, go, bruh. Okay, oh my! But what did he say? OMG! Can you read this? Give me your Kashmir! And look at Pakistan's face. But why is it like that? Bruh. No. Doesn't look like this. I don't know. Oh my god.